Good day everyone, still Drone PH. So I'm here another test flight. So this is the DIY, the Beta FPV, the Pabo 20 Pro the version 2. Okay, so I modified it. I installed the Flywo Wide 155 FOB. So this is the modified guys. So recently I review also the JFRC, the Darkstar 22, but I'm not satisfied with the frame because a lot of vibration and also I'm not fun with the damping balls. So I got a problem every time I install and uninstall the Oppo Pro and Lite. So it's hard because I broke some of damping balls, okay? So I decided to buy the Pabo 22 frame and transfer all components guys in this Pabo frame, okay? So I put the IEU board and the JFRC motor, okay, on this frame. So I think this is better option guys. Easy use and less vibration. I installed already the RGB light. So no problem about it. I configure all and it's work fine. No problem about it. So I just got solder all parts guys. I'll gonna show you a little. I did not show the actual soldering method because a lot of time consume, okay? So this is how I do guys. I just put the JFRC, the taker 20 amperes, okay? So I put the antenna in this side and solder the RGB on the same LED pad that they make from the Darkstar 22, okay? So they just solder direct on the battery, the positive, negative, okay? And the yellow wires in the TX15. So I do the same guys. I just remove their BEC. Then I will put the RGB light from Beta FPV, okay? So just plug and play. I did not do any modification. Just install the buzzer and that's it. Okay, so still the same guys. So I just resolder those motors, cut in the short wires. Then that's it. It's good to go. You can go to Beta Flight for your settings guys, okay? You can configure your gyro alignment. I will show you in a little. So if you use the Beta FPV guys, the IEU, the 20 amperes, just solder the position guys that I will include in the screen, okay? For the RGB light. Just solder the ground for ground and 9 volts, okay? Then you can use also the T6 on the yellow wires. Okay, so that's it. It's good to go. We will reassemble and we will go for the Beta Flight configuration, okay, for the gyro alignment. So pretty easy guys to install the RGB. Just plug the bigger pin connector on the right side, okay, and the smaller one on the left side. So let's reassemble and we will go to the Beta Flight settings. So I'm using the Flywo wide lens guys with this test. Maybe you're thinking about 2 antennas but the one only connected, okay? The other one is not. Okay, just only for looks, a better looks, okay? Like a pro. Okay, so that's it. So let's continue to assemble and let's gonna test for the settings. Okay, so all set and good to go. If you use the JFRC taker, the 20 amperes IEU guys, you need to calibrate the gyro, okay, on the direction. I'll gonna show you. But if you use the Beta FPV, no need because it's designed for a Pabo frame, so no need to align. So about the JFRC Darkstar 22 guys, it's upside down, okay, so we need to change the alignment. So I'll gonna show you if how, okay. But if you want a better power like this, you can try my DIY, okay, Pabo 22 frame, because it's more powerful than the stock, okay. So that's only. So we will change the gyro alignment, guys. We will go for our laptop and we will change it, okay. So let's go. You can plug the type C at the side near at the motor, okay. So that's only. So we will go to the beta flight, connect. So as you see, guys, the calibration is upside down, okay, or the gyro. So you need to calibrate. Just click the calibrate first. Calibrate acceleration. Okay, so it's turn now. But we have also another problem because the gyro alignment is not compatible, okay. So we need to go to the configuration. Just go to roll degrees. It's assigned to 0. Just put the 180. Okay, so next we go to yaw degrees. Just put the negative 45. And just click the save and reboot. Okay, so that's it. And the gyro alignment is on calibrate now. So no problem about it. It's all good. The next thing, you go to the motor. Okay, just click the motor. And you need to reorder the motor, guys. Just click the I understand. Then click the start. And you can click the motor upon the direction, guys. Okay, just click the two counterclockwise and clockwise, okay. So that's it. After you set, you can go to your mode. You can set your arm and disarm, guys. After that, you can go to your USD. You can change if what OSD do you want to see in your goggles, okay. Then for the end, calibrate, okay, the acceleration. Okay, so that's only. It's pretty simple and easy, guys, to set. So we are good to go. So I think this is the better option, guys, if you want to better power. Just get the JFRC Taker 20 amperes. Good for 4S. So LED also is good. No problem about it. So if you run the 4S with this Pabo, guys, with the Darkstar 22 IEU bird, you need to change the motor, guys, because the motor is only for 3S. You can get the 4S, okay? And good to go for the 4S. We will try one day to change the motor. Okay, so all set and good to go, guys. As I have said, the Beta FPV 20 amperes, just install and solder the diagram on the screen, okay? And it's good to go. So that's only. We will try and fly outside, guys. We will fly and try the power of this DIY or modified Pabo 22 frame, okay? Okay, so let's go outside and test it. Let's go. Okay, so finally, this is it. Let's try and fly with this DIY, the Pabo 22 frame. Let's see if what is the power, okay, with this Darkstar 22 IEU board and motor. So let's go. Let's arm and let's fly. Let's go. Okay, fine. Takeoff is fine. So smooth and aggressive. No jello at all, guys, with the frame, the Beta FPV. It's good, guys. A little bit power than the original Pabo 22 frame. Very fast. It's nice. Maybe I will upgrade the motor also with the 4S. Not bad. Okay, so that's only for now, guys. Till next time again with the another flight test, okay? So I'm happy with the performance. I'm satisfied with this build, okay? So no regret that I changed with the Pabo 22 frame, okay? So that's only, guys. Till next time again. See you and happy flying. Till next time.
Gotta catch another fight. Yeah. The apple bottom make 'em wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night.